Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's mstack tutor once again. Today's video we're going to be discussing how to create backlink in 2021. Where to create backlinks, the website to create backlinks, how and what it takes to build backlinks. Alright, this video we're going to cover a lot. As you can see here, I have table of contents, I have subheadings, subtopics to treat here in this video that talks about creating backlink in the year 2021. Alright guys, I'm going to take this off. Why I'm taking this year off is because what I'm going to teach you in this video covers years to come, as in it's not only in the year 2021 but in future times to come. You're gonna apply this principle, you're gonna apply these tips, you're gonna apply this strategy in your link building. Alright, so that's why I'm taking this year off. It's not only in the year 2021, right? So like I told you guys, this is what we're going to be discussing in this video today. We're going to discuss how to create backlink, and we're going to talk about these kinds or types of backlinks. We're going to talk about backlink most advantageous backlinks to build for SEO. We're going to talk about bad links acquire. We're going to talk about factors to consider when building a backlink. We're going to talk about profile backlink, comment backlink, contextual or guest posting. We're going to talk about all just I mentioned above. All right, so the first thing we're going to look today is the types of backlinks. As you can see here, we have two common types of backlinks. Every SEO expert, anyone in the industry believe we have two types of backlink, which is do follow backlink and we have a no follow backlink. This type of backlink is actually good to acquire in your website. You can either acquire the do follow backlink or you acquire the no follow backlink. So now, what is a do follow backlink? This is a backlink that allows Google to pass a link juice from one website to another website. That is what we call a do follow backlink. Do follow backlink allows the link juice to pass from an authoritative site to your own website. Why the no follow backlink? In no follow backlink aspects, here you only get a link back from a website you tapped link from, and here no link juice is passing to this website. Any website that gives you a no follow backlink, you are not getting any link juice back to your website. That means not that the backlink is not relevant to your website, it's relevant, but what I'm trying to say here is that the link juice is not passing to your website. Thereby, if you want to attract a competitor with a no follow backlink, it's not going to work. You can only attract a competitor with mixture of no follow and do follow, and make sure the no follow the do follow is more. At least if you want to attract a competitor, you should have 90 do follow backlinks and just 10% no follow backlinks. Alright guys, if you are new to my channel, if you are coming for the first time to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my video. Please, I beg of you, subscribe to my video so that you get more updates whenever I keep posting. I post stuff that has to do with SEO, backlink, search engine optimization. I post about it. Okay, so subscribe to my channel. If you are returning to my channel, if you are returning visitor, I'm so happy you are back again. Thank you for returning back, always commenting my video. Let's head back to our topic. So I just explained these two types of backlink we have here. All right, so the next thing we're going to talk about is the types or kinds of backlink. Mind you, we have types of backlink, and here we still have types of backlink. So now when I talk about types of backlink, it could be the profile backlink, the one we know, any kind of backlink you can mention. And in the other aspect, you talk about types of backlink, it could be the no follow or do follow backlink. So here, that is why I have this here as an option which says kinds. So I'm going to use this word kinds or types of backlink. So now we have kinds of backlink, we have thousands of them, but this is just the few I can remember now. For the purpose of this video, I just have to make it short so that you won't get bored watching my video. All right, so as you can see here, we have kinds of backlink or types of backlink. So number one here is what we call link for link. We have the profile, we have the comment, we have the contextual backlinks, we have the get posting money for links, we have goods or services for links, we have automatically generated links, we have widget link, we have known as blog row, we have advertorial backlinks, we have infographics, we have bad backlinks, we have private blog network known as PBN. All right, guys, so I'm going to explain this quickly. I'm going to make this video brief, so we're not going to waste your time, guys. Okay, so number one here, we have the link for link. What I'm trying to say here, what this actually means is when a website or individual go on, or maybe you tell your friend or you tell your colleague at work or someone related to you in your niche to link back to your web articles. When you intentionally link back to a website, it's what we know as link for link. Thereby two of them agrees, okay, I'm going to link back to your website, you're going to link back to my website. This is what I mean by link for link. All right, so we have the profile backlink. In this video I'm going to show you how to build profile backlink. We're getting there stage by stage. I think this is where you have it here. So actually talking about this now, we have the profile backlinks, and this has to do with you creating a profile on the website, leaving your link behind. We have the comment backlink. This is very, very, very easy to do, and as you can see, as the name implies, comment is all about dropping your link on a comment section. All right, so we have the contextual backlink. In other words, could be the editorial backlink, whereby you use an context to link back to your website. We have the guest posting. This is very easy and it's very, very popular everywhere. So guest post is all about reaching out to a website owner, asking them to write for them and leaving and linking back to your website. That is what I mean by guest posting. And we have link for money. This is when you pay a website owner just to get a backlink from his website. All right, we have goods or services for link. This is when you order a service for someone to give you a link back to your website, or you sell a goods to someone to get backlink. All right, so we have the automatically generated backlinks. This is where you use a software to generate backlinks. All right, so we have the widget backlink. This is known as the blog row backlink. This is the backlinks you get. For example, you have you have a related post widget. You are the developer, you develop a related post widget. The backlinks that you get from the widget is known as a blog row. We have the advertorial backlink. This is the backlink you get in an advert. Let's go to this website. Let me show you what I'm talking about advertorial backlink. Let's go to this website called nairaland.com, and I just want to show you guys something. Okay, as you can see here, this is an advert. This is a kind of backlink. The link, when you click on this advert, it links to another website. So the website that it links to, they're actually getting a backlink from Nairaland. This is what we call advertorial backlink. A backlink you get by pasting or running an advert on someone else's blog is called advertorial backlink. All right, so we have infographic. This is where you use graphics to tell or to give out an information on a website and linking back to your website via the infographic, via the images you give to a website owner to upload on your website. All right, so we have the badge backlink. This is a common stuff, it's a kind of a common backlink. For example, you go to moz.com, we have moz here. Let's quickly do this sharp. All right, so this is a badge here. You can actually see the kind of backlink mainly in affiliate marketing niche. When you're into affiliate marketing, most time you want to promote a product and that product has a badge, or you want to promote a link or services and it has stuff like this. Let's say we are promoting Moz. So when you're promoting Moz, you must use this badge here to promote it. You can't promote without using this badge. So this badge here, the link that contains on this badge is what we know as badge backlink. All right, guys. We have the last but not the least, we have the PBN, almighty PBN backlink. This is where I'm going to explain this later in this video, guys. So let's just quickly go to the number 2 section. Okay, we have, this is it here. Backlink most advantage. I'm sorry, guys. Okay, this is where we are. Backlinks. I think this is a mistake. I'm supposed to have most advantageous backlink for SEO, stuff like that. I was supposed to have it. This is a mix of somewhere. I think this is a mistake here. So it should be most advantageous backlinks for SEO, stuff like that. All right, guys. So what I'm trying to say here is that the backlink that is more beneficial to your website, the most significant backlink to build in the year 2021 and in time to come. All right, so this is the backlink. I especially handpicked this backlink because this is backlink that Google acknowledge when you get them in your website. All right, if you want to skyrocket your SEO, you want to attract your competitors, this is the backlink you should focus more and acquire more on your website. All right, guys, so we have the editorial backlinks. I just explain all those things up. I have the get blogging backlink for business profile, blah blah blah, and so forth. All right, guys, so let's quickly go to this place. Bad links to acquire. The bad links I'm talking about, this is the link that is not advisable to acquire on your website, because Google is going to penalize you for this kind of backlink. When you link for link, you ask someone to exchange a link with you and you do the same thing, Google is against it. So or it's not good to acquire this kind of backlink on your website. We have money for links. When you pay someone to drop a link on their website, Google is against it, so it's not good for us to acquire. So we shouldn't waste our time in this kind of backlink unless you intend doing a black hat method. You can use this kind of backlink. All right, so we have goods for services. This is a bad backlink building method. When you know, it's very very self-explanatory. So we have automated. These are bad backlinks to build in the year 2021. all right, so we have the private blog network. Google is against this kind of backlink building practices. Okay, so but most time people do use it in black hat SEO. all right, white hat SEO. So I'm going to show you the white hat method to build backlinks. all right, so we have factors to consider when building backlinks. I'm so sorry guys, I'm taking this class so long. I'm going to make it brief just to head to our main topic of today, which is how to create backlink in the year 2021. all right, so let's quickly go. We have factors to consider when building backlinks. Number one factor is the spam score. Number two, traffic and authority. This is what you should watch out for when building your backlink. Don't just go to a website and build backlink without checking that stuff out. This is very very necessary, guys. So check out for the spam score of the website. At least a website shouldn't have a spam score of 50 and you go ahead and build backlink from there. Is very very bad. Google is going to penalize you for that, so don't do that. all right, so we have traffic. You should be able to analyze the traffic of the website you want to build backlink for. If the website is of high authority and with less traffic, it's not good. It's not going to pass that link just to your website. It's not going to give you enough traffic to your website. So you should watch out for traffic before building backlinks to your website. all right, authority has to do with the domain rating, DA, that is domain authority number there, the figures, the citation or trust flow. This you should be able to watch out for this before building backlinks to your website. all right, so let's go. Say for this tutorial we are going to use the most famous link building strategy among individual. So this is the link I'm going to show you how to build today. I'm going to show you how to build a profile backlink using this website I dropped below, and I'm going to show you how to build a comment backlink using this website I dropped below, and I'm going to show you how to build a contextual or guest posting backlink using this link I dropped below. So guys, let's get started to the video. all right, welcome back to the video how to create backlinks. all right, so to create a backlink, like I said, we have this. I'm going to use these three methods to create this backlink. I'm going to use this method to show you how to create a backlink in 2021. all right guys, so I'm going to show you how to create a profile backlink. I'm going to show you how to create a comment backlink. I'm going to show you how to create a contextual or guest posting backlink. all right guys, so as you can see here, I have this URL. This is where you can actually create a profile backlink. I have this comment backlink section. I have this site you can actually create a contextual backlink. all right, so let's get started with this one here called the profile backlink. In this video I'm going to use a temporary email in this video. all right, so what you're going to do to get a temporary email, you can actually go to Google search and type temporary email. From there you have a drop down of all the email temporary email provider. You should be able to navigate any of the websites. What I'm going to do here, I'm going to use this website to create a profile backlink. This website is called a marketplace, so I'm going to use this website to create a profile backlink. Creating a profile backlink is easy, and what you need to do to create a profile backlink is just to sign up with the website, create an account with them, then leave your link with the website. all right, so let me show you guys how to create a profile backlink. So as you can see here, I already have an account with this website. So what you need to do, log into this website, or go to this website, sign up with them. When you sign up, you should be able to see this my account option, and then navigate down and go to your profile. When you go to your profile, head over to group membership. As you can see, I already have 3 websites here running. One good thing about this marketplace website, it allows you to create as many as in you can create multiple profile backlinks. All right, so what we're going to do here to create a new profile backlink, let me show you guys how this looks like. I have mstacks ng. I've already created a profile backlink. As you can see here, this is a profile backlink. It's a developer profile. This is a profile backlink, guys. So as you can see here, I have this is all about my business at mstack. We have blah 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 stuff like that, you get. So what we're gonna do here, this is my link. This is where I place my link. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna check if this link is actually a do follow backlink or a no follow backlink. To do that, you can actually use this tool called Moz. It's an extension that allows you to check, it allows you to make use of to check your SEO practices while building a link or stuff like that. So what we're gonna do here, we're gonna check on these options. Let's go here. No external backlink. Yes, is it a do follow backlink? Let's close this. No. As you can see, the link is actually a do follow backlink. As you can see, this is a follow. This is a do follow backlink. Let's click here. As you can see, no. So it's actually a do follow backlink, and this website is kind of high when it comes to authority. As you see here, it's a 58 TA website, so it's a high quality website with 11 span score. So this is a minimal span score to consider when building a profile backlink. All right, so how do you create these profile backlinks? Let me show you how to do that. So you go back, click on, remember when you log into your website, my profile, your profile, then you head over to this, where you're gonna appear. So you go to group membership, create a new group. So let's do this. So what you're gonna do here to create your new group or to create your profile, what you're gonna do is to name your profile. As you can see, I named my mstacks ng. So you should be able to give your profile a suitable name, and here is going to be your display name. Just fill up this information here, your description. You make sure you give a proper description of the link you want to leave with them. As you can see here, we have location. You should be able to put your location. I'm in Nigeria, Lagos to be precise, so I'm going to put my location here, my phone number here, my LinkedIn URL. This is my LinkedIn link, so I'm going to put it here. If you have a Twitter account, you can just put your homepage or your profile link here. Just fill up the details and fill up the required information. So what we're going to do next is head over to this icon option. We're going to choose a picture for our profile backlink. So here is where we're going to acquire the backlink. So what we're going to do here is say the website URL. So what you're going to do is to put your homepage URL, that is your website link here. If you have a support link, which is your about us page or your contact page, you can actually put your support link here. And when you're done with this link, you click on create a new group. When you're done creating a new group, it's gonna appear this way. So this is how you can actually create a profile backlink. Okay, all right, so let's go to the next option. Because of time, I wouldn't want to waste much of your time going to create them. Just use the same method that we use in creating this marketplace backlink and create this too. All right, so let's go to comment backlink. How to create a comment backlink. So what we're gonna do here, I have these two websites where you can actually create a comment backlink. So let's check this out. All right, so this is how to create a comment backlink. Here you go to this website. All right, so this is a website. I think this is a high authoritative website. Let's check out the DA. Okay, it's DA 50 with 1 span score. Wow, this is nice. All right, guys, in most cases you can actually get a website with 90 DA, 80 DA. Sure, you will get them. So all right, in this description below, I'm gonna drop a test file that contains profile backlink, comment backlink, and also a guest posting backlink. All right, so just check the description below. You're gonna get those links. All right, so what we're gonna do here to create a comment backlink, as you can see here, these are comments that people dropped linking back to their website. This one say, thanks for sharing such useful posts, keep it up, super amazing, super cool. Try to play unlocked game 5000 at game.lol. Laughing out loud. All right, so what we're gonna do here to create this comment backlink, we're gonna go head over to the comment section. Here we're gonna put our name. This is my name. Your email. I don't want to use my email, so I'm going to use my temporary email for the purpose of this video. I'm going to copy it, then paste it over here. My website, you should put your website here. I don't want to put my website. I already have a website. I already have a link from this website, so I don't want to put my link, website link. So what you do here is to put your website link. So let's use this. All right, so in the comment option, you should be able to give a nice comment, stuff like thank you for sharing, but don't use this. I'm just using this for the purpose of this video. You can just make up a nice comment. Okay, thanks for sharing, and just make up a nice comment. When you're done making up a nice comment, you go back to this website called hypertext or HTML hypertext. Okay, this is it over here. It's called webcode.tools. This website actually allows you to create a hyperlink and link back to a website, or use it to create a comment backlink. So what we're gonna do here to get this kind of link, as you can see, this is the contextual link on this comment section. As you can see, this is what we're going to use to get such link. Here you are going to put your website name. Alright, target option, if you want it to open on a new page, self parent or top. So let's leave it to new window. Here is where you're going to input your anchor text. So this website is all about SEO. So I'm going to say something like best SEO agency in Lagos, Nigeria. Sorry. So this is my anchor text. Allow search engine crawler to index your link, stuff like that. Just when you're done, head over to this place and copy your hyperlink, then go back to the comment section. Remember, after leaving your nice comments, then you can impute it here and then click on submit. When you're done, it's going to appear this way. That means you've automatically gotten a comment backlink from this website of 50 DA. So let's go to the last but not the least. So how to create a contextual or guest posting backlink. All right guys, so we're going to use this website called substack.com, and we have justpace.it. all right, so let me use this to make it more brief. All right, so let's copy this website and head to this website. All right, this website actually allows you to create a contextual backlink. All right, as you can see here, this is a contextual backlink I've already created in this website. It said how to fix a hacked Android phone. This is a link I got from this website. As you can see, this website is actually 89 DA. So what we're going to do here to create a contextual or guest posting backlink, what you're going to do here, as you can see, I already have a nice write-up here. So what you're going to do is to create an account with them. When you create an account with them, I already have an account, that's why you can see mine here. So what you're going to do, create an account with them, go to add note. When you add note, it will allow you to make a post. As you can see here, I made a post on how to fix a hacked Android phone, and I have an image to the post. So what you're going to do, you're going to make a post. I say, want to know how to fix an Android phone? If yes, then blah blah blah, you're in the right place of the web, stuff like that. So you should have an article here and then link back to your website. At least you shouldn't have more than 2 links. This link is a link pointing back to this article, and here is a homepage link. So you should be able to link at least 2 of your web pages. Don't link more than 2 to make it look natural. So this is how you can actually create a contextual backlink in the year 2021. So guys, if you have any question to ask, or you have something to say, you can actually use the comment box to say that. All right, so I'm so happy you made it to this point, and if you made it to this point, I'm saying thank you for watching this video to the end. And if you have, all right, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. All right, like my video and share with your friends. All right guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for visiting MStack Store once again. I love you guys. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's mstacks tutor once again. Today in this video I want to show you guys how to get free do-follow backlinks to your website. Free 90 do-follow backlinks to increase your SEO website traffic. This website I want to show you today is a popular website known as patreon.com. This website allows users to create an account and then publish content linking back to their money site to pass authority and link juice. So as you can see here, this is a 90 DA. This is a very high traffic website. At your own time, you can check and analyze the website to get the traffic metrics, but today I'm not going to go into details doing that for you. I'm only going to show you how you can tap a do-follow backlink to your site. So let's check this. This is a PA73 PA. That's quite big. So what we're going to do here to get this backlink to our website, we're going to head over to create on Patreon. That is where you have options to create an account with this platform. We are going to click account today, so let's click on this. Here you have options to sign up with your Google account. You have options to sign up with your Facebook account, and you can use your email address to sign up. Well, I'm going to make it more fast by using my Google account to sign up. So I'm going to click on sign up with Google. Here I'm going to select the email address I want to use. So I'm going to use this to open this account today. All right, so let's wait for this to come up. So now what as you can see, it says what describe your content. Here is where you're going to choose your niche. If you are into business niche, tech niche, music download niche, or any niche you are running, you should be able to select what best describe your niche. So my niche in this tutorial today, I'm going to go with the it's like an agency website. I actually talk about business promotion stuff that has to do with SEO, business optimization. So I'm going to check here to see what suits my niche. This no, I think okay, this is it here. So I'm going to click over to local business and others. So I'm head over to continue. Is your website for 18 and above? Do you have nude content on your website? If yes, then you can click yes. If no, you go with no. So I don't have any nodes on my website, so I'm going to head over to the no option and click on the continue button. Yeah, so we're going to use this currency dollar. You can choose anyone based on your location. And do you want to offer exclusive merch? No, I'm going to do yeah, it's recommended, so I'm going to click to continue. So this allows you to actually connect your Facebook account, your Instagram accounts, any of this platform here. You can connect them to the platform. So we're going to head over to continue. This website is huge. It's going to pass authority to your website. So what we're going to do here is to click on start customizing. You are almost ready to launch. So we're going to head over to start customizing to launch our website. So name on Patreon page. This is the name you want. You don't say this is like a username. So I'm going to use my business name as my username. My business name is mstacksng, but I'm going to go with the word mstacks. And what are you creating? What is your intention? I want to publish an article on the platform, so I'm creating an article. What sounds more correct? mstacks is creating article. mstacks are creating article. mstacks is creating article sounds more correct. So I'm going to go with this. You have options to choose a profile picture, but not really necessary. But in this case, I'm going to go over choosing a profile picture. So I'm going to take this as my profile picture. You can actually upload a cover photo, not really necessary, but in my case I'm going to do that to make it look more mature and unique. So I'm going with this. All right, so this is the URL. So I'm going to use my business name as my URL on Patreon, and this is it here. mstacks is my URL. What's about your Patreon page? This is the first thing potential Patreon will see when they land on your page. So make sure you paint a compelling picture of how they can join you on this journey. So here I'm going to talk about what my page is all about. So I'm going to head over to my website. It's called mstacks.com. I'm going to get over to my about page to copy what I want my Patreon page to look like. All right, like you see here, this is how visitors is going to see your site. So you should have something very, very enticing so that people will stick to your website. All right, while the network is loading, let's wait for it to come up. All right, now that I'm on my website, so what I'm going to do next is to get my about page that talks about my business, what my business is all about. So I'm going to copy my about page, or let me take something from here, mstacks and experience SEO. Let me stop here. All right, so this is that I'm going to use to get a backlink from this website. So I'm going to paste it here. So now when you have this article, this allows you to link back to your website. So what I'm going to do here, mstacks is my website URL. You can actually link to any page of your website, but I want to link this to my home page. I want to link, at least you can paste like 2 links here. Anything more than 2 is not acceptable. So I recommend you link at least 2 of your web pages. So here, mstacks and experience blah 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 blah. So I'm going to look for where to insert my link. All right, okay, so I'm going to head over here, mstacks, and then hyperlink, and insert my website link here, and click open in a new tab and insert. We help businesses maximize profit by creating awareness, driving website traffic, blah 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 blah. So I'm done with this. If you have more articles, you can actually publish this here and then link to 1 or 2 of your pages. You can link to your home page and then to your category page or to your article page, anyone you want. At least don't link more than 2 in your article. So I'm okay with this. So I want to link to my home page, being my mstacks home page. So what I'm going to do next is to, okay, this, don't worry, this is optional, so I'm not going to bother about this. It's optional. What I'm going to do next is to click on save changes. So I'm going to click save changes. Wow, I think we are done, or are we done? So let's see. Finish account details. So we're going to click here, add now. All right, first logger name, I'm going to use a random name. Last name, select a country. I'm going to select my country, Nigeria. All right, custom brand color, I'm going to go with this. Public, yes. Local business, not necessary. You can leave this. You can connect your social media platform to make it more legit. You can connect if you want. So adult content, does your work content, adult content, blah blah blah, no. So this option here, where you have option for Google Analytics ID, if you want analytics to track your performance on this platform, if you want to track the performance, you can actually link your Google ID or analytics ID to track the performance of your website, because this website actually has a huge traffic come in daily. This website has a very high traffic. So if you want to track your website performance here on Patreon, you can use the Google Analytics ID, but no need, I don't want to do that. So I'm gonna enable RSS feed, audio feed, no. So I think I'm done with this. So I'm going to click to save changes. Wow, so as you can see, it all shows green mark. So I'm done with account creation. So what I'm going to do next is to click on launch. Before I do that, I want to see how my website looks like on Patreon. So I'm going to click on the preview option here. So when you click on the preview, this is what you're going to get. Wow, so this is an overview of my website here on Patreon 90 DA. We've seen it before. It's creating article, RTS, blah blah, become blah blah. So this is all about Wixing Booksport. So as you can see, I should have used my name here, mstacks, but next time I'm gonna do that here. So as you can see, this is it over here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna head over to launch. So I want to launch my website. Yeah, my website is live right now. So now if you have a client website, you want to publish for them, you want to get more. All right, I'm done. Now we have successfully created a do follow backlink from this website. And how do we know this link is do follow? Now we have our mode extension installed, so we're going to click on this pencil icon. When you click on it, it's going to come down like this. You see this green icon. When you click on it, yeah, this is a do follow backlink. So if it's a no follow backlink, it will show this purple here. So this is not a no follow backlink, so it's actually a do follow backlink. So guys, this is how you get a 90 DA do follow backlink from this website called Python. All right, so do this and I'm sure you're gonna get a do follow backlink pointing to your website. See you guys in my next video, and thank you for watching. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's MStack Tutor once again. Today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to do keyword research with Google Keyword Planner. This method I want to show you today is totally free. You don't have to pay for anything. You don't have to pay for any tool. All you need to do is to possess a working Gmail address. That is all you need to get your keyword campaign started. All right guys, I'm going to walk you guys to my computer screen. As you can see now, I'm actually on Google Keyword Planner 2, but I'm going to show you how you can navigate to Google Planner 2 without wasting much of your time. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. All I do in this channel is to teach people how to do SEO, how to do backlinking, product review, affiliate marketing, how to, and so many more. All right, so I'm going to show you guys how to walk to this computer screen. As you can see here, I have Google Ads Keyword Planner. Now, like I said earlier in this video, what you need to get started in this keyword campaign or keyword research campaign is to possess a working email address. As you can see, this is my email address. Now, how do you get to this point here? Now, you can go to your Google search box and search for the word keyword planner or Google Keyword Planner, keyword planner, and hit the enter button. From here, this is it over here, or this, you can click any of this here, then sign up with them and navigate your way to Keyword Planner. When you come to Keyword Planner, this is how it's going to look like. You have these two boxes here. One says discover new keywords, and number 2 says get search volume and forecast. Now, to get an in-depth keyword research, a keyword with low difficulty and high search volume, the box you need to select here is the first one that says discover new. Remember what we are doing here, we want to get a new keyword metric, we want to get a new keyword ideas to write on our blog or on our website. Now we're going to use this first option here that says discover new keyword. I'm going to click over it. When you click to it, you have this option here that says it's enter products or services closely related to your business. Now, if my niche has to do with business or my niche is how to, I'm going to make use of this search box here. If you own a blog that talks about business idea, don't go here and type how to. You should use the ideas of your blog. You should use the niche of your blog, which is business idea, by going to type business ideas or whatever you want to do that has to do with your niche. So you should type it here. Now, for the purpose of this video, I'm going to use a generic niche, which is how to. I want to use the how to. I run a blog that talks about how to, and I want to get a detailed keyword research. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to type a small word of my niche. As you see, my niche is how to, so I'm going to type the word how to get an in-depth keyword research. You can actually type more than 2 words, 3 to any amount you want. So now I'm going to type how to. If I want to type more, like how to make your hair, how to get stuff done, I'm going to type them here. But I'm okay with this. Like now, I'm going for a new keyword research to add to my blog. Okay, so what I'm going to do here, I'm going to go to and get results. You can actually skip the domain option and get results. Now, what you see here is a keyword displayed with different competition, monthly search volume, top page bid, and so on. All right, so now this tool actually allows you to run a successful campaign. If you are someone that runs Google AdWords, you can actually use this tool to get more insight, but I'm not going to talk about that here. I'm not going to talk about that in this video, which our aim is to get keyword research alone. So now, what you are going to consider or point to consider before doing keyword research with Google Planner, there are different things you need to consider. Number 1 point to consider is the average monthly search volume. And number two is the competition. This is the two things to consider before doing keyword research with Google Keyword Planner. Like I told you earlier, monthly search volume and competition is what we're going to use in this video. All this here is not really necessary. This is actually for someone running campaign. You want to get the CPC bid, you can actually use this here, but I'm not going to talk about these two. So what I'm going to focus here is these two here, which is how to get keyword research using Google Keyword Planner. All right, like I told you earlier, I'm looking for the word how to. I own a blog that talks about how to, and I want to get a keyword that suits my blog. These are a list of top searches according to Google, what users are actually searching for. Now as you go down, you keep checking, these are what people are searching for. When you go down, you can actually navigate. This is one out of thousands or searches or thousands results. You can actually go to go to next page by skipping different row. So now I want to get my keyword research done. I'm going to check this here. Monthly search volume is 100,000 to 1,100,000 monthly search volume. Competition is very low. And number two, this is 10k to 100k. Competition is medium. This is 10k to 100k. Competition is low. Now what you're going to hear, sometimes you see something like high here. So let me go down to see a keyword that has a, this is it here. This keyword has a high search volume. Don't ever you go for keyword with high search volume unless your blog is very authoritative. Do not go for a high keyword. Now what you're going to utilize is the low keyword. Now we have this keyword here, a low search volume. We're going to highlight it. We have another keyword. We have how to 10,000 to 100,000 search volume and is low. I'm going to highlight this. As you can see, these two here is medium. I wouldn't want you guys to go for the medium keyword research. The competition is actually going to be high. All right, so don't go for this if your blog is new. But if you have a new blog or you want to get the best keyword research, always go for keyword with low competition. All right, so I'm going to highlight this here, and I'm going to highlight what again? I'm going to highlight this is actually okay, 1k to 10,000 per month. I'm going to highlight this. And I have this. I'm going to highlight this. Once you are done highlighting the ones you want, you're going to click copy and go to your sticky note or whatever you are using. So I'm going to get to this and get a new sticky note. All right, this is it here. Oh, sorry for the delay. So I'm going to copy this and paste it here. Now number one keyword research here that I got says how to get rid of tie. And number two, how to do. So I'm taking this off. Number three keyword says how much water to drink a day, how much water to drink per day, how to get sick. Wow. So I'm going to check this out, how to get rid of tie. I'm going to check this out. So I'm going to head over to the new Google search and type this keyword to see site ranking on this keyword. Now this is actually a health niche. Healthline is ranking number one, how to get rid of tie and how to get rid of tie. Number two, webmd.com. This is the keyword we got. So I think I'm not okay with this keyword. I'm gonna go over and start for another keyword. Let me go down, take this off and go back. Let's search for how to make money online. How to make money online. So done, click get results. Don't bother about the domain name. Now how to make money online, this keyword is very high in competition, so let's keep going down to get something very low. This competition is medium. I don't want medium, I need something low. I'm going to go down, skip. All right, as you can see here, this one says how to make money, 100 to 1k search volume, and the competition is low. I'm going to highlight it. Let's go down again. This is actually high, medium. I don't want medium, I want something low. And I have another one here which is low in competition. I have this two is not okay by me, so I'm going to get to 1k is enough. This two is medium. If your site is authoritative enough, you can actually go for the medium keyword, but mine is not authoritative, so I'm not going to head over to this. It's just a new blog, so I'm going to go over to this low competition. Let me check this out. Oh, sorry, I've not. All right, copy. All right, number one says how to make money online. Reddit, how to make money online. How to make money online 2019. So let's check this out. How to make money online. Reddit. I think this is actually how to make money using Reddit. Realistic ways to make money. How to make money online in Reddit. So this is how to make money online Reddit. 9 legit ways to make money on Reddit. So guys, this is how you can get your keyword research done. Now I've gotten multiple keyword research. I got about 3 keyword research. These 2 I'm not okay with. These 2 and I'm not okay with this. This one actually says how to do websites, how do websites make money. So I'm not okay with these 2 keyword here. So I'm gonna go with this, how to make money Reddit. So guys, this is how I got a very high search volume of 1000 words with low competition, and this is how I got it using keyword planner. So guys, this is how you can actually get low competition keyword and rank them on your blog. So this is how to get it depending on your niche. Follow this guide I just showed you. Now you're gonna get your website rank in no time. So guys, let me recap back again. Point to consider before choosing any keyword. You're going to consider the monthly search volume. At least average of 1000 above is enough. Competition rate, you're going to check for medium or low search volume. If your website is authoritative enough, you can go for medium search, medium competition, you can go for high. But if your website, or you're just starting out, your website is new, you can go for the low competition. So these ones here is not really necessary. These are for people running adverts, so it's not really necessary for you. So this is a thing you need to consider. These 2 here. When you get your keyword, go to Google. You can use Google here. You can download these 2 called Moz extension. You can use more extension to get more insight of these keywords here. So let me quickly run up this here. Let me get this open. All right, so as you can see here, realistic ways to make money online on Reddit. This website ranking here has 91 DA, this one has 36 DA, this one has this medium 95 DA, and this is 1 DA. Wow, this is to say that this keyword is very, very low in competition. These are low search, these are low authoritative website ranking on this keyword. Ways to make money on Reddit. This person got 6 DA, this person got 11 DA, this person got 15 DA, this person got, this is actually a very high authoritative website, Quora. We have this person here, 1 DA. This is very, very good. All right, so this keyword is very easy to rank on. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's MStacks Tutor once again. If this is your first time coming to my YouTube channel, I encourage you to use the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel to get more awesome videos like this. And if you are returning back to my channel, I say a very big thank you for coming back once again. And today in this video, I want to show you guys how to index backlink faster in 2021, or how to index backlink faster using Google Search Console. This is what I've been using for a very long time, and it works for me not until the day Google decided to take off the Google Search Inspection tool from Google Search Console. But I want to tell you guys that this tool is back again on Google Search Console, and this method continues working. So let me show you the method I'm talking about, using Google Search Console to index your backlink faster in 2021. Let's get started. Welcome back. How to index backlink faster using Google Search Console. So guys, if this is a backlink you've built so far, for example, these are my backlinks I've built and I want to get them indexed using Google Search Console method. So what I'm going to do to index this backlink here, I'm going to use my WordPress website or my Blogspot website or any website I'm running on, and then I'm going to use my Google Search Console account to get them indexed. So guys, let me walk you guys through on how this method works, or how I use them to index my backlink faster in 2021. Okay, I want to give you guys a tip or notes before building backlink. For example, if you built a backlink on this website here, do not use the same website to get the backlink you built indexed. It's kind of a black hat method, so I don't advise you to use the same website you built backlinks for to use them and index it. Very, very bad to do that. So I would suggest you guys to use the same method. All right, so what you're going to do, for example, this backlink here is from another website and not this website called Tomondo Musical. Is a different backlink entirely. For example, this is a backlink I bet for client. That is to say that a client website is actually different from my own website. So I want to use my website to get this backlink here index. Well, what I'm going to do to index this backlink here, I'm going to head over to my page section. This is a page section here. I'm going to add a new page. You can use a category, you can use a post, do this, but I use a page section because it works best for me. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to name this page SEO. And before you do that, make sure you have a nice write-up here, like 100 words article, to make it look natural in the eyes of Google. So what I'm going to do here, I already have my article written somewhere, so I'm going to copy it. This is the article. This is my article here, so I'm going to copy it over here and paste. How many? As you can see here, I have 139 article words. So you should have at least 100 words article to make it look natural in the eyes of Google, so that Google don't penalize you for doing such parties. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is to index this backlink here. I'm going to copy this backlink here. I want to get index. I'm going to copy the backlinks and head to a website called convert URL to HTML. So you can see here, this is it here, convert URL to HTML link. So what this website does, it helps you to convert URL links to HTML format. All right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to paste the links here. These are the links I've built so far. I want to convert them to HTML link. So what I'm going to do here, as you can see here, is already converted to HTML link. So I'm going to copy it to my clipboard, copy, and head over to the page section I've built. I'm going to turn to the text side of this page. So I'm going to paste my link here and head over to the visual section. As you can see here, these are the links I've built so far. They are automatically turned to HTML. As you can see here, they appeared in URL formats. So what I'm going to publish this page here. I'm going to click on the publish button. As you can see, it's loading. So let's wait for it to come up. All right, our page is live now. You can actually view this page. So what I'm going to do to index this page here, I'm going to head over to my Google Search Console. As you can see here, this is my Google Search Console for this website called Tomondo Musical. This is it over here, and this is it here. So what I'm going to do to index this backlink I've pasted here so far, so I'm going to copy this URL to the page I've created where my backlink is. I'm going to copy the URL and head over to my Google Inspection tool. This is it over here, Google Inspection. I'm going to paste the URL over here, and I'm going to hit the enter button, retrieving data from Google Index. So let's see what happens next. Let's see if this page is indexed or not. As you can see here, the URL is not on Google. You can actually use the text live to check if the URL is kind of indexable by Google search or by Google crawler either. So I'm going to use this here to check if this page I've created is kind of, it's kind of accessible by Google crawler. I'm going to wait for it to come up, texting live URL. This might take a minute or two. So let's wait for it to come up, guys. Sorry for keeping you guys waiting, just bear with me. Let's wait for it to come up. Wow, as you can see, it said URL is available to Google. That is to say, this URL is kind of accessible to Google. So what we're going to do to get this page indexed, and once this page is indexed, automatically these links here are indexed by Google. So what we're going to do, we're going to click on the request indexing option. So we're going to click on it. This is to call on Google crawler to crawl on the page we've created so far. You click on the request option. As you can see here, indexing requested, your URL is on a queue to Google crawler. So what happens that whenever Google crawls on this page, all this link you've built here are automatically indexed. So this is how to use Google Search Console to index your backlink faster. All right, guys, do this and see your backlink getting indexed fast and fast. All right, so this is how to index a backlink using Google Search Console option. If you made it to this point, I want to say thank you. Also, if you don't know how to build backlinks to your website, you watch this video right here to know how to build backlinks to your website and use this particular one I'm doing here a way to get your backlink indexed faster in Google search. All right, bye guys, thank you for watching. What's up guys, welcome back to MStack Tutorials. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys the best way to steal your competitor's keyword and attract them on Google search. I'm so happy today because this method I want to show you is actually one of the best methods I use in stealing my competitor's traffic and attracting them and gaining all their powers. Alright, so if you are new to my channel and have you subscribed to my channel, please do that right away. Subscribe, like my video, comment, and don't forget to share my video with your loved ones. So guys, let's get started. Alright guys, welcome back. As you can see on my Google search bar, I have a random keyword here, love message for her. So I have a website that talks about love messages, XMSs for birthday wishes and rest of them. So what I'm going to do, I'm just using this keyword to get my competitor detail. As you can see here, I've placed this keyword here. I have the first person ranking here, trueloveworks.com, and I have the second person here, wishesxms.com. So what I'm going to do right now to steal my competitor keyword, watch. This is my competitor here. I'm going to take this URL here and head over to a simple tool called SEMrush. You can use any tool, any keyword research tool like Moz. You can use Ahrefs. You can use any keyword research tool you want to use. You can use it. But in my case, and for the purpose of this video, I'm going to use a very simple tool called SEMrush. So why I love SEMrush is that SEMrush gives a very detailed information about your competitor, ranging from the backlink they got, traffic volume, and lots more, right? So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to place my copied competitor URL here. This is my competitor here, and I want to steal his keyword. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to hit on the search button. So this is going to show us the competitor insight, all what the competitor is ranking on, the traffic volume and the rest of them. So that's, wow, this person got 1.7 million traffic per month. This is why I love SEMrush. SEMrush is going to give you all the details you need about your competitors. So my competitor here, trueloveworks.com, he got 1.7 million organic traffic per month. That is to say, this person is the right person. So what I'm going to do right now to steal this person's keyword, watch. So I'm going to head down here. As you can see, this is the backlink pointing to this person's website. It does not have any displaying advertisement. So let's go down a bit. Let's go down to where you see organic keywords. So as you can see here, this is top organic keywords. This is it here, position. This actually means position. This person is ranking Google search engine result page, and this keyword here got a volume of 590 search volume per month, and the traffic metric is 11.83. So this competitor here is still ranking on this same keyword, good morning my love, ranking on position 3 with 1,000 search volume. Wow, this is very nice. So to steal this person keywords, all you have to do is to click on view details. When you click on view details, it's going to show you all his ranking keyword. So this is my competitor's ranking keyword. So let's go down a bit. I think it's still loading up, so let's wait for it to come up. Oh yeah, this is it here. Wow, these are all his ranking keyword. As you can see, this is good night love is ranking with 490, good morning my love 1,000 search volume. Just keep going down. These are his ranking keyword. If you are someone who is smart, all you have to do is to write article on this keyword. So this is how you can steal his keyword. So what I'm going to do next to get all the keywords on our notepad, I'm going to head over to where you see export. So let's go up. This is the export option here. So I'm going to click on the export option. You can choose this to select the row you want. Click here. So I'm going to take this here. If you want it to export to Excel, you click here. If you want it to CSV, blah 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 and blah, select the Excel format. So I'm going to hit on the Excel. As you can see, this is it here. I've downloaded my competitor's keywords. So let's go to open folder, or let's just open it up and see. Okay, so this is it here. Oh, let's take this off. All right, this is it here. Position, I don't think I need this. Okay, let's close this. Close this. So take this off. So guys, you can see this is the position of the keyword of each of these keywords here, and the search volume, and this is the difficulty level, CPC. This is not really necessary, so let's close this here. So what we're gonna do here, Good Night Love is ranking position 1 with a search volume per month 590, difficulty level 37. Good Morning My Love ranking position 3 with a search volume of 1000 with difficulty level 39. I Miss You So Much ranking number 1, blah blah blah. So this is how you can get your competitors keyword and outrank them. If you like this video, don't forget to comment and share this video to your loved ones. Thanks for watching and see you next. Hello guys, welcome to MStar Tutors. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys the exact way to steal your competitors traffic. It's very easy. All I want you guys to do is to like my video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel. Alright, before we get started guys, I want to apologize for not dropping video for quite a long time now, and I want to say I'm back full time now, and I promise to be dropping videos regularly on MStar Tutors. Alright, so guys, right now I'm going to show you how you can steal your competitors traffic using just a simple tool called SEMrush, or you can use a tool called Ahrefs. You can use a tool called Mo. So this three tool is what is required to attract your competitors by stealing their traffic. It's very easy guys. What I'm going to do right now to attract my competitors, first thing I'm going to do is to find my competitors first. Who is your competitor? That's the question you should ask yourself. Who is my competitor? How do I get my competitor? Who is my competitor? What I'm going to do right now, I'm going to be searching for a random keyword just to get my competitors information and steal their traffic. Alright, so I'm going to search for best business idea in United Kingdom. So I'm going to hit the enter button to get the metrics while we wait for it to come up a bit. So I'm going to turn on my mouse bar to get competitors metrics. Alright, so the first person ranking on this keyword, best business ideas in United Kingdom, is homeprotect.co.uk, and we have the second person ranking on this same keyword, entrepreneurhandbook.co.uk, and we have businessinsight.com. Yeah, alright, so what I'm going to do now to steal my competitors traffic is very easy. Just watch. This person here is my competitor, this person here is my competitor, and this person here is my competitor. Before we get started to stealing our competitors traffic, I want you guys to know that it is very necessary you install this extension called Mozbar. Alright, so what this plugin does, it allows you to see your competitors details, something like your DA and their PA. Alright, as you can see here, this person ranking on number 1 is, it has its DA of 43 with a PA of 35. So the second person ranking on this same keyword has a DA of 45 with a PA of 41, and we have the third person ranking on this keyword with a DA of 19 and a PA of 23. That is to say that this keyword is actually not competitive enough. Alright, so this is a less competitive keyword. The fourth person here is ranking with a DA of 18 with a PA of 27. So this is to say that this keyword is not actually that high to target. What I'm going to do right now to steal these people's traffic, I'm going to go here. So I'm going to look for the lowest DA. This person got a DA of 19, so I'm going to highlight his domain, or I'm going to copy his domain address. So I'm going to go over to, okay, what I'm going to do now, I want to check the person's traffic, if this person is actually getting a huge traffic or not, because no need stealing our competitor's traffic when the person is not getting enough traffic. All right, so what you're going to do, you make sure your competitor you want to steal that traffic got a lot of traffic. All right, so what I'm going to do here, I'm going to head over to my SEMrush. As you can see, we are now on our SEMrush page. So I'm going to head over to where it says enter domain URL or keyword. So I'm going to enter the person's domain here. This is it here, businessinsight.com. So I'm going to hit on the search bar or search button. So while we wait for it to come up, let's see, boom, wow, this person got 47.6k organic traffic. That is to say, every month this website is getting nothing less than 47.6k organic traffic from Google search. All right, so this is a very nice opportunity for us to steal this person's traffic. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to check his ranking keywords, because there is no how we're going to get his traffic without his ranking keyword. His ranking keywords are actually the keywords that gives him traffic. All right, so I will go down again, distribution by country. His traffic is worldwide. He's getting traffic worldwide. So you can see worldwide traffic is 47.6k, India 16.6k, UX 8.7k, Pakistan, and so on. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is to steal his traffic. Watch, please do not skip a minute of this video, because if you do, you're gonna miss a lot. Alright, so make sure you watch this video step by step and do not skip any minute of this video. So what I'm gonna do now to steal his traffic, watch. So as you can see, these are his top organic keywords. He's ranking number 1 for these keywords: business to start with 1k, and his position is position 1 on Google search engine result page. As you can see, this keyword here got 90 search volume per month. New business ideas in America is ranking number 1. That is his position. So what we're gonna do now, I'm gonna check this. Okay, let's just leave this open here. So I'm gonna check this to be sure that this metric is actually correct. So I'm gonna hit on the search for Google. So let's see if this is correct. Wow, as you can see, new business ideas in America, this person is ranking, businessinsight.com is ranking number 1. So let's check another ranking keyword here. Let's see businesses to start with 1k. All right, so let's open and see if this metric is actually correct. So all right, so let's go. I think there's 30 businesses ideas under $1,000 you can start today. All right, so what I'm going to do now to steal his traffic is very easy. So I'm going to hit over to where you can see view details. So I'm going to hit here, view details. So this is where you're going to steal his traffic. You can actually steal his traffic by stealing his ranking keywords. Go on your website and apply the same principle there. Write articles and make sure those articles are rich articles. Do not copy someone's content or write jargons and upload and expect to steal his traffic. It's not going to work that way. For you to steal his traffic, you're going to steal his keyword, and as well give your content writing to an expert to write for you, so that the person can provide a rich article for you, and automatically you're going to attract him by building backlink, and as well steal his traffic to your own website. All right, so let's go down to see his ranking keywords. All right, businesses to start this. Okay, these are just not really high. I don't like this here, so I'm going to go down to get his high search volume keyword. All right, so let's go. Let's keep going down to see his high search. All right, as you can see, this keyword here has a search volume of 220 per month. This is business ideas. He's ranking on business ideas, and he's ranking position what? Okay, this is really bad, so I'm not going to take this. So I'm going to head and keep scrolling down. So guys, I'm going to show you the easiest way to get his top ranking keywords fast. What you're going to do, when you head over to your most top bar, you can see position, you can see volume. What this does is that it allows you to choose between his first ranking keyword to his 10th or ranking keyword. All right, so I'm going to do here, I'm going to select on the first. This #1 means the first ranking keyword, so I'm going to take this here and I'm going to select my search volume. If you want 100,000 search volume upward, 10,000 search volume upward, and so on. All right, so what I'm going to do here, I'm going to select this here. That is to get his top ranking keywords. As you can see, no such keyword was found. I think most is not giving us the real insight, so I'm going to do this manually. So just watch and see how you can see your competitor's traffic. All right, so let's do this manually. So I'm going to take his keyword here. As you can see, he's ranking number 1, position 1. So I'm going to take this here. I'm going to do that manually to get the right keyword. So I'm going to head over to keyword overview. So why it loads, so I'm going to select and paste my newly found keyword. So I'm going to click on search. Wow, as you can see, this keyword got a global search volume of 3.2k per month. That is to say, every single month 3.2k users search on this keyword. So what we're going to do right now to steal his traffic, we are going to copy this keyword here. We're going to save it on our draft or our sticky notes or notepad, and wherever you want to save it, you can actually save it. All right, so when you save this here, you do the same thing, repeat same process until you are okay with his keywords. You can do the same thing here. So let's open up this. Oh, sorry, what's wrong, my mouse. All right, so I'm going to take this again, small business ideas in USA. So I'm going to head over to the same place and I'm search for this. So let's see the search volume. As you can see, this second keyword got 2.9k search volume per month. That's the global search volume per month. These are country and the search intent. Right, so what you're going to do, you're going to copy this same keyword again and save on your notepad. Keep doing the same thing until you are okay with the traffic metric. So what you're going to do now to steal his traffic, you're going to write on those keywords. Make sure you provide a quality article on those keywords. If you are one who doesn't know how to write up content, you can actually employ a third-party writer to write for you, to give you a top-notch content that can rank on Google first page. By so doing, you can attract him by stealing his keywords, his ranking keywords, and you making use of those keywords to provide unique content on your own website and building backlinks to those websites or those contents. You see, in no time you're going to attract him and steal his traffic. So guys, this is the exact way you can steal your competitors' traffic using SEMrush. So I'm going to show you another tool you can use to steal your competitors' traffic. This tool is called Ahrefs. It's very easy to very easy to use. So what you have to do is to paste your competitor's domain or URL in this place provided. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get my competitor's details. I'm going to copy his address or link a URL. So I'm going to head over to this place and paste it. So this is his URL. So I hit the enter button or you click on the search button. All right. So while it loads up, this is going to show you your competitors metrics, your competitors inside. You're going to see everything here. You're going to see the total amount of backlink pointing to your competitor. As you can see here, this competitor here, businessinsight.com, got 830 backlinks pointing to his domain, and he got referring domain 268 referring domain pointing to his website. That is the amount of backlink pointing to his website. As you can see, this person got organic keywords of 8.3k and organic traffic of 16.9k and traffic volume worth 17.5k dollars. All right, so what you're gonna do here to steal this person's traffic of 16.9k, it's very easy. All you have to do is to steal his organic keywords. If you can steal his organic keywords, you can actually steal his traffic. So how are you going to do that? You're going to click over to this organic keywords. So when you click on it, you're going to see all his ranking keywords. If you can steal this keyword and write article on those keywords, you are automatically going to steal his traffic. So how are we going to do that? We're going to copy here. As you can see, he's ranking number 1 on this search volume 400, search volume number 1, business in India, business opportunities in Canada. As you can see, ranking position 3 here, business in India. So what you're going to do, you just have to copy this here. You have to copy the keywords and paste on your notepad or your sticky notes. Just keep doing the same thing, stealing his keywords. As you can see, these are position here, 1 position, organic traffic. These are the organic traffic. Just keep copying his organic keywords. By so doing, you're automatically going to steal his traffic if you provide high value content, and this content rank on Google first page. So this is how you can see your competitor's traffic using Ahrefs tool. So I'm going to head over to another tool, which is the most tool, and this is going to be the last of the two I'm going to show you today. All right, when you go to Most Pro, click on the link explorer. When you click on the link explorer, all you have to do is to paste your competitor's URL and analyze his link and get his organic keywords. All right, so this is my competitor detail here. So I'm going to click on analyze. When you click on analyze, as you can see, he got 2k ranking keywords. So what you're going to do here is you're going to click on the 2k ranking keywords. When you click on it, you will have access to all his top ranking keywords. So let's go down. All right, as you can see here, this person is ranking on this keyword here. He's ranking on best business ideas in India with a search volume of 559. That is via most metrics. He's ranking on business in India. As you can see, these are different search volume depending on the tool you are using. You can actually use SEMrush too, you can use Moz, you can use Ahrefs. So this is how you can steal your competitors' traffic. If you like this video, don't forget to comment and give me a like, and also share with your friends. Subscribe to my channel to get more awesome videos. Thank you guys for watching, and I love you guys. Bye.